Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox 7.1 on Windows servers. First download, then we will install. So open any browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, click on download, then click on Windows hosts. See, download has been started and its size is 106 megabytes. See the version here, VirtualBox 7.14. Now click on open file. Click on next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on next. See, this is the installation location. If you want to change, click on browse and select the path. I am okay with the default one, so click on next. It is just warning. Click on S. Click on S. See, these are the optional. So I want to keep all these checkboxes. So I want to select all the options. So click on next. Click on install. See, installation completed. If you want to start the Oracle VirtualBox 7.1, select it. Select the checkbox and click on finish. Otherwise, select and click on finish. Now go to start. See here, we have the Oracle VirtualBox folder. See here, we have the Oracle VirtualBox. But before opening, also download this VirtualBox extension package. So select this, accept and download. It is there in downloads directly. Okay. Open file. Click on install. It's done. Okay. Now scroll down. Select go to the bottom and select I agree. Okay. Everything is done. Let me maximize. See, this is the VirtualBox manager. Okay. Want to create new virtual machine? Click on new. Then we have to fill all these details. Or machine and select new. Both are same. So here we have to provide virtual machine name, folder to store this virtual machine. Then select the ISO image. Okay. Then we have to follow the steps. Okay. I am cancelling this one. Also verify the version. Help. Then click on about VirtualBox. See, we have installed VirtualBox 7.1. Okay, close it. Close this one. So we have successfully downloaded and installed Oracle VirtualBox 7.1 on Windows servers. Okay, the process is same on all Windows servers. Let me close this one. Now go to downloads. Remove these two files. Those are not required anymore. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox 7.1 on Windows Server. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.